I'm Maddy Harland and I am in North Devon in my garden, and I'm with Looby Macnamara, who's briefly flown in for a quick visit. And, well, flown as in owl flight rather than petrochemical monster
exactly.
flight.
I only travel by owls these days.
And we're here today because we're going to talk about something we're going to do soon, which is a mystery class. And obviously someone has come to join us called Magic.
Appropriately,
Appropriately.
Yeah.
So Looby, what is this thing we're cooking up in our cauldron? What is this mystery class?
We will be talking about people care and cultural emergence and social permaculture, but we don't know exactly what we'll be talking about because we'll be having this wonderful emergent conversation between the two of us, and you will be inviting the questions and comments from our audience here, so we could go in all sorts of different directions with this conversation, but I'm sure it will be juicy and interesting.
And that's the point, is that we don't quite know where we're going, but we want to be in that emergent space, and we want you to be involved as well. So we want you to put your questions below in the feed to this little video and ask us anything that you want us to explore, and come and explore it with us. We're just going to do this on Facebook, we'll record it and put it on YouTube, but fundamentally it's going to be a live event and an opportunity to look at lots of different aspects. But one thing that really interests me is, years ago Looby taught me the design web, which is all about planning and then creating a project or a lifestyle change or some kind of life reality that you want to do. And Looby uses this for all sorts of different ways of living your dream, isn't it, really?
Yeah, that's a really nice way of putting it, whatever that is, and whatever dreams within dreams as well. So it can be that big life dream, but it can also be small, like what do I dream will be happening for me today. So you can use it in lots of different scales.
Yeah, and you know, a few years ago I was thinking, hang on a minute, I've got stuff I need to do in life. Why don't I walk my talk as Looby's editor and use the design web to get to where I wanted to go? And very emergently and mysteriously, Tim and I ended up in North Devon with a third career as woodland coppicers, which was a little bit of a surprise, but that's what the design web can do.
No, you wouldn't have been able to dream this place up.
No.
It's absolutely amazing. It's the first time I've been here and I'm just absolutely overwhelmed with the beauty and the expansiveness and the it's incredible, this place. Amazing that you've managed to manifest this. Yeah, really.
So that's kind of where we want to go. We don't want to offer you a masterclass.
No.
We want to take you on a journey which is slightly, fundamentally mysterious.
Well, we want you as our listeners to help take us on a journey as well.
True.
To give us the questions that take us into new territories and exploring new edges.
So how do you dream your dream? And when you've dreamt your dream and you've created it, how do you then live it? That's where we're going to go, but that's all we know.
Join us.